Hey guys, it's Andrew here, coming to you from the beautiful Sunshine Coast here in Australia. I'm out and about this morning. It's 8:45 in the morning, and this is what it's all about, really. You know, when I first got started online all those years ago with a dial-up modem, and you know, there was no fancy phones. There was certainly you couldn't do video, and this is what today's technology sort of affords us to be able to do, in that we are portable. We're able to work from anywhere, especially if you work online. As many of you know, I've had traditional businesses most of my life. I've been affiliate marketing though for over 20 years, but I've also had traditional businesses. And whilst I've never had a job, so I really don't know what that's like. A traditional business, I believe, is still as restrictive, if you like, as a job, in that you're tied down. You have so many responsibilities, and you know, you're sort of stuck in that lifestyle, if you know what I mean. So today's video, I wanted to call it Dream Big and Take Action. And I think you know, we're so dulled down in today's world, and thinking that we need to work within the system, and you know, the media as we know it sort of thinks that we all need to go out and get a job. And in today's world, you know, job security is getting worse and worse, I believe. And so I think it's all about sort of getting some new skills, if you like, dreaming big and going out there and taking action. When I first got started online in affiliate marketing, I had nobody to teach me. I had to, you know, it was all, you know, made so many mistakes, got there in the end through persistence. But today it's much easier. Sure, it might be more competitive, but if you align yourself with the right people that can help you get started, and look, there's so many different ways you can create a business online, but I choose affiliate marketing, and it just works. And you know, I'm not saying that it's easy, but if you have that dream and that desire and that hunger and that goal, if you like, you need to know why you're doing this, why you want to, you know, perhaps change your life and create a different stream of income. You know, it's not that difficult, especially if you align yourself with the right people and the right coaching programs. And I guess that in some ways is quite hard too, because there's so many different coaching programs out there, and I've got to say some of them probably have a lot to be desired. But once you find that that community, that group, and if you have the hunger and the passion, you know, you're guaranteed to succeed. And like I said earlier, with today's technology, it's just so much easier than it used to be. Sure, I choose video as my medium. I choose YouTube. I've just started a new YouTube channel specifically to promote my business. But and I guess in some ways YouTube can be a bit of a challenge, in that, you know, you have to get yourself out there on camera, which is a bit scary. I'll never forget my first video. It was a bit daunting. Actually, not my first. I was absolutely petrified of the camera for a long time. So it's just a case, and it's not, you know, it's not easy now. You never sort of you know, but I think, well, put it this way, you need to have that little bit of fear factor. That's what challenges you, and that's what makes you do what you do. So, but if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing and how to get started, I'm involved with this fantastic community. It's the best I've ever come across. I'm always sort of very careful about what I promote, because there are so much crappy you know, courses and things out there, but this one's the real deal. It's authentic, and it's a 15-day boot camp. So if you go through the 15 days, you know, you'll come out the other, and you apply yourself, you'll come out the other side with so much value, and it's certainly enough value and information to get you started if you choose what you want to do. And look, I just may say this, you know, affiliate marketing, by comparison to the cost of setting up an affiliate marketing business, by comparison to, let's say, a traditional business, is minuscule. I mean, sure, I always encourage people to invest in themselves, invest in knowledge, but you know, to set up any type of traditional, or buy any type of traditional business, it's going to cost a small fortune by comparison. So I hope you got some value out of this. If you did, please like and share and comment. There's a link below in the description which will take you to the 15-day boot camp. If you've got any queries, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. I wish you an awesome day. Over and out.